Pisces. So let's see. What are your possible lucky numbers this week? So you have this 55, 7, and 33, no? So you have this 55 and 33, no? Mga angel number din yan, no? Mga water signs. So you have to check it out, no? May mga message ang inyong guides, no? Angel guides. And of course, with the 7, no? Lucky number din yan, no? Lucky 7, no? So again, no, alam niyo na yan, no, pag nakita niyo ito repeatedly, no, mga water signs natin, this week, no, you will receive, you will receive something good news, positive news, no, if not, no, someone around you, no, sa family member man, or people within your circle, no, makaka-receive ng something good news.